...2023 marks me entering my 4th year as a YouTuber. Now, I'm not sure I can really say that I'm a YouTuber because I've not made any money doing this. I'm not monetized. Actually, that's a lie. Someone did use one of my affiliate links once, so I've made precisely $36.75. Count it, I suppose. I know I'm not monetized, but I wonder if the big there would get me a strike. Maybe I'll blur them out, who knows. So maybe I'm not a YouTuber, but what I am is a filmmaker, freelance at that, but nonetheless, I do owe a lot of that to YouTube. I put roughly 25 to 30 hours a week into this channel. I treat it like a full-time job because I want to grow it and I want to get something out of this. But if I never blow up, there's blood blisters on my head, and I never get something from this, it'll suck, I won't lie. However, I still really need to be thankful to YouTube because it has grown my career in leaps and bounds. By spending an extra 25 to 30 hours a week building this YouTube channel, it means I'm spending almost a full-time job's worth extra per week in using cameras, scripting, storyboarding, editing to make sure that I can do as much as I can to advance my skill set. And while I'll never be satisfied, and I think that's a good place to be because I'll always want to be better and want to be better, I think today's skill set is far advanced in leaps and bounds and where it would have been had I never started this journey. This video is a little bit weird. I'm starting work in an hour. I don't really know the whole point of it. I'm sitting in a car park garage with penis graffiti above me. I don't know if there's going to be any visuals that support it. Maybe just me going about my day. I don't know. But I just kind of put pen to paper and this is kind of what come out. I think I just needed to make a video where I stated how thankful I was for YouTube and what it's done for me personally in my career and my growth as a filmmaker and photographer, but also to say thankful for you guys for watching a loser like me, taking time out of your day to listen to someone like me tell you why you should or shouldn't buy a camera or what music you should listen to next. I can't understate just how important this channel's been to advancing my skill set, but it's not just the cameras that I've seen a big benefit in. My personal skills, my talking and my confidence has been boosted infinitely. When you do this sort of thing, and like right now I'm out in public in a parking garage in town talking into a big microphone in front of a camera with my car behind it. Like this, if you told me to do this 3-4 years ago, I never would have done it. Oh, hell no! Just the fact of I have to try and remember lines and say them to a camera over and over until I get it right. What started out as a 3-hour process to film a video might be down to like an hour and a half, and that's just come down to my ability to speak and say lines clearly, which is something that I'm still working on, but I was never a good public speaker. Now that when I go into large groups, I'm not scared anymore. I feel like I have the confidence to talk and deliver a message and get across the point that I started out wanting to make and actually getting that out verbally. I think maybe part of the point might be just to say, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, do it. Just be like Nike, just do it. Because the benefits that you'll get from having a channel aren't probably as one-dimensional as you might first think. You go in thinking you want to make videos, you come out a confident person, and just having confidence and communication can really help get you so many different places in life. I also think I kind of wanted to talk about my intentions, I suppose, for this year. Yeah, these are my only intentions. And moving forward with the channel, because I haven't really uploaded for the past month, 5 weeks, something like that. And I took this time off. My wife was on holidays and I want to spend a bit of time together and not be too distracted by, things going forward when I think I need to kind of reset and replan going forward. I think first and foremost on this channel, I want to share stuff that I'm proud of, stuff that I would want to watch and things that make me inspired. I want to share art.
It's called hentai and it's art.
Things like documentaries, short films, cinematic stories, you name it. I don't want to feel like I'm at the mercy of an algorithm. I want to try old things in new ways and new things just all together as well. If I want to make a what's in my camera bag video, not because other people are doing it and an algorithm, is telling me to do it. If that's what I want to make because I would want to watch that, then I will make it. But if I don't want to make it, then I'm not going to. ultimately, I want to put time into making videos that I want to watch, because when you're enjoying what you're doing, you're putting way more effort and way harder work into what you're going to do, and you're going to make a better product. And that in turn is how I've grown my skill set, because I've loved doing this YouTube channel over the past 3 or 4 years. So I want to take that attitude and explore new different areas of video creating and use that to make this channel grow into something that I'm really proud of. So back in the day, before Spotify Wrapped and Apple Replay, there was iTunes, right? So for all you young kids, iTunes, we actually had to buy our own music, not stream it, but there was a smart playlist, and it was called the top 25 most played or something like that. And basically it would track all your listened to music, and it'll be an all-time playlist of your 25 most listened to songs, show the play count and everything. And I remember as a teenager, I read an article with Robbie Williams, and the journalist asked him, Robbie, what's your most 25 played songs? And throughout his 25 most played songs, the majority of it was actually his own songs and his own music. And I remember the journalist kind of like made a little bit of fun of it. And when he was asked about it, he said, well, why would I make music that I don't want to listen to? And I think that kind of like resonated with me, because I want to make videos that I want to watch. Like the other day, I was in the shower. We've got a little ledge where I can put my phone and it doesn't get wet. And I was just watching a couple videos from Italy, and I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed them. And I know you guys may not have got the same experience from those, and it was more like a documenting what I did and what we did and the things we saw, and it brought back some different memories. But I just thought it was really cool, and it kind of affirmed with me that I want to watch those videos because I created them, I enjoyed them, brings back good memories. And I think going forward, everything I make, I want to really enjoy. So my plan of attack for my channel this year is I'm going to try new things. I want to try new things. I want to be more creative. I'm still going to make tutorials. I'm still going to make reviews, but I might just do them a little bit differently. I'm going to attack shorts pretty hard, and maybe that's where I move some tutorials. I don't know. I've kind of done a few little 30 to 45 second ones there. Maybe I keep that up, maybe I don't. I've got a plan, and I want to try and stick to it. And if it doesn't work, well, I'll try something else. I think at the end of things, if you boil this whole video down to one thing, I just want to make art that I'm proud of. And if someone doesn't like it, well, I'm honestly not really that bothered. And I think more than anything right now, I just want to take that mindset, and I want to be more like Robbie.
Bye.